Quick science lesson. Why does your stomach growl? A growling stomach is not just a sign of hunger. Even when you are not eating, your stomach and intestines are always moving. These movements help mix food and push it through your digestive system. When your stomach is empty, there is more space for sound to travel. Air and liquids slosh around as muscles squeeze and relax. Those movements create the growling sounds you hear. Eating reduces the noise by filling the stomach and absorbing the sound. Follow for more science in under a minute.